Morning guys, and today we have got this lovely Neptuno. It's a Neptuno style villa. It's on sea sector, and I'll just give you a scan of the road. You got some hills over there that are good for climbing, and if we go down the other way where the sun is just rising, that's the camp where you can walk your dogs and them. Now all these houses along here are the same. As you can see, Alpha Pools is next door. They're doing the pool. This property doesn't have a pool, but you could do. It's the same footprint. You have off-road parking here, as you can see. And just over here, you have got your pedestrian gate. And you could have a small plunge pool in this area just here. So I'll just pan around for you. It's laid to shale at the moment, and this is the property here. The sun is just coming up. It's 8:30 in the morning, so I'm out early starting on these properties. And this is a 3-bedroomed. Now just around the corner there is the top box, but I'm going to take you into the main property first. So you've got about 3 or 4 steps coming up here onto the D section, and just above there you've got an outside light. Some people like to enclose the D section or put a ceiling light and fan there, so it's a nice area to sit out. Got very decorative balustrade there. Nice area to sit out in the sun. You have some rattan furniture here. Just have a glass of wine. There I go with my glass of wine again. I don't drink wine, but I'm just setting the scene for you guys that it would be really nice to just chill and relax here, looking at the world go by. Really nice area. As you can see, all the houses are well maintained. So I'm just going through here. Now you've got rejas and blinds on the property. Got the Spanish door here. This is the living room. Just behind the front door, you have got the overhead storage and the wardrobes. Now this property hasn't been enhanced in any way. It's just as it was when it was built. So you can see yourself where you could put your own stamp on it and enhance it yourself. So just over here you have got your fireplace. So some people have put log burners in there. It's never been used, but the fire is there. And you've got your shelves. I'll just pan around for you guys. So it's nice and big and spacious. Over there you have your dining area, but we'll have a look at that in a moment. I'm going to take you through the archway and we're going to go into the bedrooms. So this is the main bedroom here. You have switches and sockets on either side of the bed. Holds a double bed. Just here down here you have got your points for your TV, and you've got plug sockets there as well. On the windows you got insect screens, blackout blinds and rejas. Just through that other archway you have the ensuite. Just above you've got standard light. So this property is at a really good price, but it doesn't have the ceiling light and fans in here. So when they built the houses you had a choice whether to have them or not. So you have got your double wardrobe storage there, and you've got your single wardrobe storage there, and that's for your towels or whatever for your bathroom. Through here you've got the ensuite. It has a frosted glass window. It's fully tiled from ceiling to floor. You have your bath there. your WC, your bidet, and your sink and basin. And of course a mirror and a light. In the shower itself, it's got a shower attachment. And it's a good size ensuite bathroom. You have your overhead socket there for your heater above the door, and you got one there as a shaving socket by that small mirror. So this is a great bolt hole in Spain if you're just coming over to golf, because there is a golf course here on Camposo, and this is a great property as a bolt hole here in Spain. We're into the next bathroom now. So you have got your shower on the other end, you've got your WC and your sink and pedestal there. And again, the frosted glass window, and it's fully tiled from ceiling to floor, and you've got some spotlights above there as well. So I'm just going to take you inside now into the second bedroom. You have his and hers matching wardrobes here and overhead storage. I'm just going to swing around for you. You got a socket there, and you got sockets by the bed. They look like they used to have 2 single beds in here. You can fit a double bed in here, no problem at all. And it's a good sized double bedroom. So this would be a great property either as a bolt hole, or you could permanently live here and do it to the standard that you want for yourself, or you could use it as a rental for holidays, you know. So just here is the dining area. We have a lovely chandelier there, your Spanish, and your table and chairs. Just down there is your very squared off kitchen. So because the kitchen's so big, you will notice in the Neptunos, they either have galley kitchens, in which case the stairs will be where that lampshade is, and is an internal staircase, or you would have the staircase at the side of the property out the back door there, and you'll have a bigger kitchen, more squared off. So that's the compromise of having an internal staircase. So just here you have plenty of top and base units. You have your fridges, your freezers, your washing machine. Just in here you have integrated electric hob and oven, and plenty of top and base units here as well. I'll just walk down here, pan around for you. So that's the door that we're going out now to see the top box. So it's a good size house, this is, really is. I've just come out the kitchen door, and I'm just swinging back around to show you the driveway. There is enough room for 2 cars in there, and possibly a motorbike just to the side here as well. Lovely blue skies this morning. I'm just going to quickly show you this. You've got a wraparound terrace, so you can walk around to the front of the terrace here, and it's quite a big area. And you've all that countryside over there. And this is the top box, the 3rd bedroom. It's all shut off, but I just thought I'd bring you around the other way instead of coming out through the doors today. Now just around there is the wraparound, and just in here is your double bedroom. You also have his and hers wardrobes, and I'll pan around for you. You have 2 single beds up here, but you can put a large king-size bed up here. Now this is a great room if you have friends and family over. They have their own bathroom, and it contains a sink and pedestal, WC, bidet, bath and a shower attachment. It's all fully tiled and got the frosted glass window up there as well. So it's a good size. So if you have guests, you can put a little fridge up here, and they have their own little area, you know. And just out here, of course, is your rooftop solarium, which is quite large. Look over the camper over there. The sun's up now. And just here you could put some loungers and your grass. You could even put a hot tub. Might just even put a link for a hot tub in the videos for you guys. So if you fancy it, you can always treat yourself. So this goes round. So in some houses you don't have this, that you can just walk around the front, you know. And this leads back down to the stairs to go downstairs then. Now I've come back all the way down. I'm going to go to the back of the property here just to show you. So you have an area here as well. So you've got your fire in there. You could have your log storage here. And just here maybe you could have some rattan furniture or put your washing line or whatever. You've also got an underbuild that goes under down there as well. So I think the plot size on these are about 250. I think the 250 plot size on here. But it is a lovely property if you wanted to have a bolt hole here in Spain, like I said. So that's it from me this morning. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And take care until the next time, guys.